Andy, is this your third episode of What Is It?
Yeah.
Getting any fan mail?
A lot. I've been responding to a lot of emails.
Probably some stalker mail too.
Hey guys, I found this laying around the warehouse. Does anyone have any idea what it is?
I'm pretty sure this is a cushion that goes on your sofa that expands to 400 times its size to eject you out of your RV in case of an accident.
Maybe,
Sounds
but
fun.
it looks more like it's a wireless phone charger, so no one has a dead phone when we're all camping.
It's not working.
Yeah, plug it in.
Broke. Well, both great ideas, but I'll tell you what it really is. You know, you plug this in to an amplifier, and it turns into an electric whoopee cushion. It'd be the loudest whoopee you ever hear.
Guys, once again, wonderful answers, but that's not actually what this is. This RV tank heater pad is designed to keep your RV's fresh gray or black water tanks from freezing when temperatures drop. It gently warms the tank using your RV's 12-volt power, helping your plumbing system continue to work smoothly even in cold weather. Whether you enjoy winter camping or just want peace of mind during those chilly nights, this heater pad provides simple, reliable protection, keeping your RV ready for adventure no matter the season.
And that wraps up another edition of What Is It? Please leave your wrong answers in the comments below.
All right, Andy, let's test your theory.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Yeehaw! You guys should see the view from up here.